Hey, how you doing? I am the owner of AZH Builders. Just showing you guys a lobby over here in a project we're doing. Let me walk you through. Letting you guys know we are experts in giving you guys a remodel or new construction when it comes to framing, drywall, texture, painting, insulation. I mean, you name it. Here, it's the type of work that we are doing. Please give us a call. Let us know how we can help you out. Let's say if you are trying to achieve a project and for whatever reason you don't have any manpower, just give us a call. If you're behind on your project, please give us a call. If you're starting a new project, please give us a call. Anything we can help you with, please give us a call. Let us know how we can fit in your projects. All right? Thank you. Bye now.